Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into a name that hasn't been seen in showrooms for decades, but is now roaring back with a bold statement: the all-new 2026 Toyota Cressida. Yes, you heard that right. Toyota is reviving a legendary nameplate that once ruled the roads with refined performance and subtle luxury. And this time, it's not just a nostalgic throwback, it's a whole new beast. The Cressida originally made its mark in the late 70s through the early 90s, known for blending Japanese engineering with the comfort and smoothness that rivaled European sedans. It was Toyota's answer to the luxury sedan segment before Lexus ever existed. But now, in 2026, Toyota is bringing it back, and it's sharper, faster, and more luxurious than ever. The new Cressida is built on Toyota's TNGA-L platform, the same one used for the Lexus LS and the Crown. That means it shares underpinnings with some serious high-end models. Under the hood, you'll find a turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 hybrid engine pushing out an impressive 400 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive is standard, but all-wheel drive is available for those wanting extra grip and control. This isn't just a cruiser, it's a performance sedan that knows how to move. Design-wise, the 2026 Cressida is all about elegance with an edge. The front fascia is aggressive yet classy, with a wide grille that's flanked by sharp LED headlights. The long hood, flowing roofline, and short rear deck scream grand touring machine, while 20-inch wheels and subtle chrome accents give it a luxury vibe without being too flashy. It's a car that commands respect without yelling for attention. Inside, the Cressida steps confidently into luxury territory. You're greeted with plush leather seats, real wood trim, and a 14-inch touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to climate. There's also a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a head-up display, making sure you never take your eyes off the road. Toyota's latest infotainment system is snappy, intuitive, and fully compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And yes, it comes with a killer JBL sound system that'll make any drive feel like a concert. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2026 Cressida features the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a semi-autonomous highway driving mode. It's the kind of tech that makes long-distance cruising a breeze. What makes the return of the Cressida so exciting is what it represents: a bridge between Toyota's legendary past and its tech-savvy, performance-focused future. It's a nod to enthusiasts who remember the old days but crave modern luxury and power. This isn't just a rebranding. It's a reinvention. That's it for today's ride through the rebirth of a legend. The 2026 Toyota Cressida is shaping up to be one of the most exciting comebacks in the automotive world. Let us know in the comments what you think of Toyota's bold move. Is the Cressida back for good? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any more legendary returns right here on Rolling Legends.